The second important lesson that life has taught me is this: there is no template for the meaning of life. Buong buhay mo, tatanong ka, ano kayang kahulugan nitong buhay na ito? Ano kayang gusto talaga sa akin ng Panginoon? Bakit niya ako binuhay sa ganitong sitwasyon na ito? Ano bang gusto niyang gagawin ko? Akala mo, pagtanda mo, malalaman mo kung anong sagot. Walang sagot yun. There is no definite answer. There is no one surefire answer to the question of what is the meaning of life. This is what I learned. Life has the meaning that you want to put into your life. Mamili ka kung anong meaning gusto mo, pero ikaw din ang mamili kung anong kahulugan ng buhay mo. For example, you might want to grow rich, and you'll do anything to be rich, but it will not ensure that you will grow rich. Or, gusto mo malaking pamilya, maski hindi ka mayamang-mayaman, at nagkaroon ka ng ganong pamilya na nagmamahalan talaga kayo, ay di naging masaya ka. Dahil linagyan mo ng kahulugan sa pamagitan ng pagpili mo sa buhay na mas gusto mong malaking pamilya nang sa yumaman ka, maging matagumpay ka, higit sa lahat. So you put your own meaning into your own life. That is the lesson that I learned and which I share with you this afternoon. The meaning of life is what you choose to make it mean. Life is the consequence of our moral choices.